In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my desk setup and my PC build, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my desk setup. Most importantly, I'm going to be showing you my PC build. My PC is a custom built gaming PC that I fully built myself. I built this PC back in December of 2019, and so far I spent about $1,500 building this PC to where it is now. Before we go in depth about my PC build, I want to quickly show you my desk setup. My desk has two different sides on it. The left side is my gaming side and the right side is my work side. The left side, or the gaming side of my desk, has my Xbox Series S, my Nintendo Switch OLED on it. My PC sits right in the middle of my desk, and right between my Xbox and Switch I have a Have It headset stand, which is holding my Corsair Void RGB Elite wireless headset. I also have a Have It RGB keyboard and mouse. Under my mouse there is an S&E Teachers Edition RGB mouse pad. My newer mic and boom arm is also attached to the left side of my desk, along with my Behringer audio interface, which is mounted right under my desk. There is also a little shelf here on the left side that has my dab rig and all my 420 smoking accessories on it. Now the right side, or the work side, is where I fix all the electronics that I'm working on. I'm not gonna sit here and bore you by going over all my tools, because I know you want to talk about the PC build, and trust me, I have a lot of tools, and this video will be like 40 minutes long if I sit here and go over all my tools. But as you can see here on the right side, I have my work mat and all my tools are set up right here that I need to work with. There's also a shelf here that is not complete, but this shelf is gonna be holding my Canon printer once I'm done putting the shelf. So that is my entire desk setup from left to right. But now with all that out the way, let's get into the main part of this video, which is my PC build. My PC was custom built all by myself. It's got an MSI B450 Tomahawk motherboard. Attached to that motherboard are two Crucial Ballistix Sport 8GB RAM cards, making a smooth 16GB of DDR4 RAM. I also have a GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card from Zotac Gaming. It's also got a Ryzen 5 2600 AMD processor. In terms of storage, I have about 4.5 terabytes of storage on this beast. I have a Corsair 4 Series MP5 120GB M.2 NVMe SSD, and this only has Windows installed on it. That is where all my operating software and all my Windows 11 stuff is installed. There is a 1TB Seagate Barracuda internal hard drive and a Lexar 480GB internal solid state drive. On the outside of my PC, I have 3.5 terabytes of external hard drive storage, and then also I just acquired a brand new NVMe SSD, which is 2 terabytes. I also just acquired two brand new 8GB RAM cards to make a total of 32 gigs of RAM on my PC. Everything except for the external hard drive obviously is sitting neatly inside of a Thermaltake V200 RGB edition case. Inside of my case I also have a Corsair H100i Elite CableX liquid cooler. That is what I have cooling my CPU instead of the regular fan. I actually have my CPU water cooled. My GPU is also mounted vertically instead of horizontally like every other graphics card out there. I forgot the name of the horizontal mount that I have. So powering all of this, I have a Thermaltake Smart RGB 700 watt 80 plus certified power supply. That is my whole PC build, exactly how it sits right now. I'm able to play AAA title games at high settings and get a smooth 1080p 60 FPS output, and that's perfect to do my gaming on, and that's also perfect for my TV to handle. I am planning on upgrading this PC to make it more powerful, so I already have some upgrades for it, and if you want to see those and more upgrades, then be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest. So my main goal for this PC is to make it play 4K games on all ultra settings at 60 FPS or 120 FPS. You know, I want to make this PC a very strong PC build, but I don't want to spoil too much in this video. If you like my PC build and my desk setup, then please drop a like on this video. If you want to see more awesome PC content and see me build my PC more, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you dislike or like about my build in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, Doggy Fresh.